guys, welcome to your first presentation for the DNA unit of Biology Credit Recovery. What I need you to do is find this worksheet and take notes as we move through the presentation. If you need a little bit more time with a particular slide, just go ahead and pause the video and make sure you get every single blank filled out, because there's going to be a quiz on this information at the end of the video. Now, in order to talk about an introduction to DNA, we have to answer the question, what is DNA? DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. It's an information molecule coding the genetic information for all living things. It's kind of like the instruction manual or encyclopedia for your body. It's located in the nucleus of the cell and was discovered by Watson and Crick in the 1950s. Now, there's nothing to write for this slide. It's just an interesting comparison of our DNA to other humans, chimpanzees, rats, and bananas. And the reason I put this slide in there is it shows you how we're connected or not so connected to different organisms that we interact with or see on a regular basis. The structure of DNA is a double helix, also known as a twisted zipper or twisted ladder. Though both of these images on the slide may look very different, the one on the right was used to discover the one on the left. The black and white image was taken from the top down of a DNA molecule and was then used and to put together the 3D molecule that you see on your left. Our next question is, what is DNA made of? DNA is made of alternating sugar and phosphate molecules with a nitrogen base connected to the sugar. What I need you to do in that blank box is to draw this image, the phosphate, sugar, and nitrogen base complex, because this three-part structure is called a nucleotide and is a key component to this entire unit. There are 4 different nitrogen bases in DNA: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. And these bases join together to form steps of our twisted ladder. And each of these steps have genetic information. And based on the order that we find these steps or rungs in our ladder, it codes for the different traits that we have. So, though we have 4 different nitrogen bases, each nitrogen base can only pair with one other base. So adenine A can only pair with thymine T, and guanine G can only pair with cytosine C. And an easy way to remember this is that C and G are both curved. And so the 2 curved letters are always going to match together. Now that we've finished our notes, please take the time to answer the next couple questions for a quiz. Remember that this quiz is graded and open note, but the majority of your grade for taking notes and participation is based on how you perform on this quiz. So please do your best. And I look forward to hearing from you in our next presentation.